So over here you can see that I have S browser opened up, and if I were to go around and access out any page right here, then what happens is that everything gets saved out in the history right here. So if I were to go around over here and if I were to click on history, then what I can do is I can see whatever I have browsed out. But for privacy reasons, if you do not want history to be saved out for a particular time, then what you can do is you can go around, click on the three dot icon right here, and then what you can do is you can click on new private window right here. So new in private window is an option, and once you click over here, what happens is that a black version of S browser opens up, as you can see. And if you were to go around and then access out any particular website right here, let's say for example like google.com, then whatever you do over here does not actually get saved out, as you can see right here. So if I were to go around onto Wikipedia right here, so let's just go around and browse around. So whatever pages you access over here, so if I were to go to comments right here, and if I were to, let's say for example, goes around into images, now normally this would all be saved out, but once I close the private window, if you were to go around over here onto history, then you won't be able to see anything, as you can see right here. And that is how you can protect your privacy while you're browsing out the internet by using the S browser. So hope you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.